Video 3, Presenting. This video covers the following: locating the lecture file, opening the lecture file, and advancing and returning to slides as if giving a lecture. Locating and opening the lecture file. To locate the lecture file, reload the patient file. As a reminder, the virtual presenter is patient-specific and the file created is machine-specific. To use the virtual presenter during a lecture, you must load the same patient file and select the same machine as you did when creating the presenter. In this case, the IMRT prostate patient file and the Varian IX machine. Use the mouse to select View in the main menu at the top of the screen. Select Virtual Presenter, and the Virtual Presenter window will open. Click on the Open Folder icon in the Virtual Presenter window. Find the slideshow you wish to open. Click on the name of the slideshow and click Open. Advancing and returning to slides. To advance or return to a slide, click on the name of the slide you wish to display in the Virtual Presenter window. This concludes Video 3 on presenting a lecture. Thank you for your attention.